Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, and thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Big thumbs up to you guys for supporting us. So today we're going to be cooking, not really cooking, we're just going to prep some guacamole. It's very simple. You just need like 4 to 6 ripe avocados, 1 to 2 limes, salt, and a bowl. So first thing you need to do, let's go ahead, cut our avocados and remove the pit from those. Alright, so when you cut your avocado, just go ahead, cut it down the middle. Turn, turn, turn. Separate. Grab your knife. Hit the seed. Bam, comes out. Simple like that, right? Alright. Throw the seed in the trash. You can or you could plant it if you want. Makes a good little house plant. We have one growing over by the window right now. Alright, so after you got those all cut and remove the seed, go ahead, grab your bowl, grab a cuchara, and just go ahead, scoop the avocado out, just like that. Alright, we'll go ahead and repeat for all of these. Oh yeah, these ones are perfect. Gonna be good eating tonight. This makes an ideal snack. Goes great with tacos. Goes great with chips. Goes great by itself. My son loves to eat it just by itself. So this one's a simple one. We're just gonna put lime and salt, but you can add whatever you want. Tomato, onion, garlic. Add some chilies in there. Alright, there you go. Okay, next, grab your tinador, and then we're just gonna mash these avocados up. We like ours pretty smooth. You can leave it a little bit chunky if you like, it's okay. So, just mash it up. If you like chunks of avocado in yours, go ahead, leave it a bit chunky. Leave it a little bit chunky for now. So when we add the lime and the salt, we're gonna go ahead and stir it again. So that's looking scrumptious, guys. Go ahead, cut your lime. Get your lime. Grab your cuchara. Just give it a twist on the spoon there. We'll start with 1 lime. Add our salt, stir it, give it a taste. Maybe add more lime. Okay, grab your fork again, stir that up. Nice and stirred. Alright, you want to go ahead and add your salt. Gonna need about a tablespoon of salt. Alright, let's go ahead and stir that, and we'll give it a taste test. Alright, so we got that all stirred up. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more lime to that, maybe a little bit more salt, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm gonna just add half a lime to this. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna be putting out a chicken taco video soon, so make sure if you haven't already, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Hit the bell button so you get notified when those new videos come out. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting us and supporting the channel. We look forward to your comments. As always, stay blessed. Thank you, guys. See you next time.